Good morning, little stars. The sun is up, and it's time to start a brand new day. First, we open our eyes and give a big stretch. Ah, that feels good. Time to jump out of bed. Let's make our bed nice and tidy. Pull up the blanket, fluff the pillow. Great job! Now, it's time to brush our teeth. Pick up your toothbrush, add a little toothpaste. And brush, brush, brush. Clean teeth make a happy smile. What should we wear today? Let's pick a shirt, pants, and don't forget your socks and shoes. All dressed? You look amazing. Time for a yummy breakfast. Let's sit at the table and eat together. Maybe some fruits, warm milk, or toast. Eating healthy food gives us energy to play and learn. It's playtime. Look at all the toys. Here's a teddy bear, a red car, and some building blocks. Our little friend is stacking them up. Playing helps us grow and learn. Isn't it fun? Now it's quiet time with a book. Big brother and sister are helping read the pages and learn new words. The day is almost over. It's story time with Mommy. The book is full of stars and sleepy animals. Mommy reads in a soft, calm voice. Listening to stories before bed makes us feel safe, happy, and ready for sleep. Shh! It's bedtime now. Our little one is fast asleep, dreaming about toys, stories, and happy adventures. Good night, sweet child. See you in the morning for more fun. That's a toddler's daily routine. See you again soon for more fun and learning. Bye-bye, little stars. Subscribe for more.